If you are applying for healthcare jobs in the UAE and hearing absolutely nothing back, this video is for you. Many qualified nurses, doctors, and allied health professionals go through this, and the silence can feel personal, but most of the time it's not about your competence, it's about positioning. I have seen professionals apply to 50, sometimes even 100 jobs and receive 0 responses. That doesn't mean you're unqualified. It usually means your application strategy doesn't match how the UAE hiring system actually works. The biggest barrier is lack of UAE experience. Hospitals naturally reduce risk. When they see someone already working inside the UAE system, they know that candidate understands documentation, insurance structures, patient demographics, and workflow. For someone coming from abroad, the hospital perceives more uncertainty, even if your clinical skills are excellent. If your data flow is not completed, your prometric exam is not passed, or your eligibility letter is not issued, many recruiters won't move forward. From their perspective, it delays onboarding. If another candidate is already exam cleared, they are simply easier to hire. Your CV must be tailored to the UAE market. License status should be clearly visible at the top. Visa status should be mentioned. Keep it concise, ideally 2 or 3 pages. Presentation matters more than many candidates realize. Recruiters often scan CVs in seconds. Another major factor is salary expectations. If your requested salary is significantly above the market range for your specialty and experience level, you may be filtered out early. Especially in private hospitals, budgets are tight and hiring decisions are business-driven. If you only apply to Dubai or to high-profile hospitals, competition becomes extreme. Thousands of applicants target the same institutions. Being flexible with location, including Abu Dhabi or the Northern Emirates, can significantly increase your chances of entry. Being physically outside the UAE can slow the hiring process. Time zone differences, visa logistics, and relocation timelines all add friction. Some employers prioritize candidates already inside the country because the hiring cycle is faster. Instead of sending 100 random applications, focus on preparation. Complete your licensing process, align your salary expectations with market reality, be flexible on location, enter the system first, then optimize your position once you gain local experience. The first UAE job is the hardest. Once you have 1 year of local experience, your market value changes significantly. Recruiters respond faster, interviews increase, opportunities expand. Rejection is not a judgment of your worth, it's feedback on your positioning. Adjust strategically and keep moving forward.